Hello everyone, once again welcome in our self-transformation series of today, that is 23rd of July 2012. Yes, my dear friends, today the topic which we have selected for the series is really helpful and it is related to our real life situation. You know, my dear friends, before we will discuss the topic, I will just like to brief you the instant which is related to the topic. In today's time, we are easily being affected by anger. We are easily being attached by so many things, which leads to the role of Maya to conquer on us. And we are easily being trapped in the vicious circle of Maya. Maya is all the negativity which affects us, which leads us to the different negative path, and which even destroy our mental and physical and our holistic growth. So, my dear friends, today the topic which we have selected is I am fearless, conqueror of Maya, and observe the game of life as a detached observer. Yes, my dear friends, this is the topic. But before we start this topic, we will focus on the game of life. First of all, we will focus on the games which we used to play when we were really in a childhood stage. Have you ever noticed that we used to play so many games? And what was the importance and significance in how we used to play one game different after the other? We are playing different game. The process is same which we are studying and observing today. In one game, we used to be an observer at that particular game. Suppose we are playing badminton, so we were totally involved in playing badminton. And the next moment, if we are doing some other game, if we are practicing something else, then we don't think about badminton, we think about that game. Suppose next game we are thinking about hide and seek and we are playing hide and seek. We are totally involved in hide and seek and we are not thinking about badminton or racing or cycling or any other game. So it means that from childhood, we are actually as a detached observer. And one more thing was important in the game is that we were like a detached observer. I can even narrate you the game of life as a game of Ludo, which we used to play. Yes, my dear friend, the game of Ludo is also the game where we are like a detached observer. There also in the game of Ludo, when we are playing, we don't know what is going to happen, who is going to win, whether I will be the winner or not, but we just move ahead and as a detached observer, we observe it. Isn't it that the game seems to be very, even at the time that we think that I will be the winner, and at all of a sudden there is a twist and turn in the game and some other person becomes the winner. So at that moment also we were really like a detached observer. So my dear friends, same goes in today's time. Like that game, we used to be like a detached observer. We never been influenced by the effect and turns and twists and turns taken by the other person. We used to think, okay, it's the turn of this person, so this person is supposed to do whatever and we have to accept it. Same way in today's time, my dear friend, in this game of life, isn't it the same thing going on? Isn't it like the game of Ludo wherein we don't know that which dice or which particular peg the other person is going to play or other person is going to move or what is going in the mind of the other person. So, but here we are attached. Here we become an attached observer. An attached observer means that he has done right, she has done wrong. All those rights and wrong calculation, we are stick to it. And you know, the more and more we are attached and stick to all these calculations, all these belief system, you will be shocked to see that you are becoming more and more into a vicious circle of negativity. You are moving towards those areas, those traits of negativity which are not yours and still you are imbibing them. But my dear friends, the other way out for this is, now today you got a realization that the game of life is being proceeded. And so, how I have to behave in this life, how I have to be a player in this game of life. So, you have to play the game in the same way. No matter how fearsome the effect of Maya comes in front of you, but you just enjoy it as a game, as a great pleasure. Be a player in this game. Be a detached observer, constantly fearless, always the conqueror. And when you think in this way, the Maya is going to salute you. Yes, my dear friends, since we are the child of that God who is the ocean of love, so how can anger come closer to me? When I am ocean of love, how can I be affected by the roles and duties of others? How I am being influenced by the behavior of others? How I am influenced by the words of others? Since I am the ocean of peace child, I am the child of ocean of love, I am the child of ocean of happiness. Why my peace, happiness and love goes away? Because Maya is there and Maya plays the role, and I am not as a detached observer. I am as an attached observer feels that the Maya had played a wrong turn, and so I am being attached to that and the whole calculation went wrong. So my dear friends, in this journey of life, just be a detached observer. Observe the thing in such a way that you are only and only an observer who is observing everything in a very detached way and playing the game like a player without any calculation of winning or losing. So tomorrow we'll get you with a new topic. Till then, imbibe yourself as a player and enjoy the game of life. Thank you.